In this video, I'm going to show you how to change camera sensitivity in Once Human. So by default, the camera sensitivity is kind of off, and you may not be used to that from different other games, and I'm going to show you how to mostly fix that issue, okay? It's almost perfect when you do it. You want to press your escape key first to open up the main menu, and you want to navigate yourself inside settings down here. Then in here, you want to click on the first tab, which is mouse/display, and you want to go inside control up here, so the second tab. Then you want to scroll down where it says camera sensitivity, and then again camera sensitivity over here. As you can see, you have a sensitivity coefficient. Now wherever you have this, try to move it to 150 and mouse smoothing to 100. Now this helped me tremendously because I can now move around much easier. However, if you don't prefer this and just want to have it less than it is or somewhere in the middle, you can simply drag this little slider around, and you can change it to whatever you want to have. And once you've done that, it automatically saves, so we can just simply press escape to quit this menu, and that's it. That's how to change camera sensitivity in Once Human. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please make sure to help me out as well by subscribing to this channel.